I would trust that many people that you have actually talked to have addressed the fact that the fund commenced in earnest on 1st July 2017 under a trust deed that was sponsored by the government of the Republic. And the objective of the fund was to provide retirement or pension and other benefits to the members or the members' beneficiaries. The fund is governed largely by three key instruments. This would be the trust deed, the fund rules, and the Pension Act 2023. But because a pension fund is also a financial institution, we are also governed by the Financial Services Act. And since we fall under the Financial Services Act, it means we also fall under the regulation of the Registrar of Financial Institutions. As you are aware, there are 12 trustees, 6 appointed by the employer, and 6 are nominated by employees through the unions, and they are all formally appointed by the employer, since all trustees are civil servants employed in the government in accordance with the trust deed. The current cohort of trustees were appointed in phases. The first half was appointed earlier in 2025, around January, February, and the remainder were licensed in June 2025. The work of the fund commenced in earnest in September, and of course, the fund also has 3 investment managers, a custodian, an actuary, an administrator, and many other service providers. As of 31st December 2025, the assets of the fund were standing at 1.1 trillion. I think for the committee to also understand how we're doing with this 1.1 trillion,